Hey everyone, so today is my day 7 of Christmas Vlogmas. So I want to talk about marriage today, and the topic is how to rebuild your marriage. How to rebuild your marriage, meaning is already a broken one or the one going through challenges. What are the ways, the steps to take to rebuild it? Right? This is the topic. You know, marriage can be so challenging. Yes, in some cases it can be, all right, but trying to rebuild it can be so difficult and delicate, right? But with positive mindset, commitment, and effort, couples can work together to build a healthy and stronger marriage. And how do they achieve this? They have to follow the steps. I'm going to break them into 5 steps, right? The first one is crisis. That would sound strange, sound somehow, right? As someone would ask, how does crisis come in resolving marriage issues? Someone would ask that question, right? Oh yes, it is always the first step. How does it go? Yes, if you want to resolve your marriage, there is always someone that would come to resolve it, or you want to resolve it yourself. And before you start, definitely there must be, why did you do this? So I said, no, it was you that did this. Or someone would ask, what prompted this problem? How did this happen? What exactly transpired? You know, you want to narrate your own story, your partner want to narrate his or her story, and while narrating, the other one would want to blame the other one. It was it not you that started this? And you would say, no, it was you. Look at what I did, and I didn't think it was wrong. And when I was doing it, why did you challenge me? Right? So this is when you bring the problems to light. And the emotion, trust me, can be wrong. Yes? Yeah, everyone is highly emotional that no one wants to take the blame, right? This is always normal. That's the first step. Do you understand? Yeah, the summary of it is that the first step is, it is normal for you to resolve your marriage issues. You must first enter into crisis of this argument. Whose fault is it, right? Then when you do this, the second step is awareness. The reason for the crisis is for you to understand what prompted this issue. Do you know you can be having your marriage challenges, your marriage issues, without knowing the exact cause, right? Because sometimes when you ask someone, what did you do? He says, it's not my wife that did it. By the time your wife starts explaining, or the husband starts explaining, you discover that what is causing this is even nothing. You might even start blaming yourself. I didn't even know it was this one. This is awareness. That is the second step. You understand and acknowledge the problem, right? Now, because you've acknowledged the problem, so you take responsibilities and know the root cause of this problem. That's the second step. You must know the root cause of the problem. If you don't know and you don't take responsibility of your own fault, where you defaulted, where you contributed towards the problem of this marriage, it can never be resolved. Now you've taken note, you've acknowledged the problems, you've taken responsibility, you've known the root cause. Then the third step is commitment. Right? You don't commit yourself into resolving what you don't know the fault. You've already known the problem. Now you commit your time, your effort together to resolve this problem. Yes, you work together to resolve it. You have known what the problem is, where you went wrong, where he or she went wrong. Now you together and jointly work together. You must definitely work together to resolve that root cause, to make sure it doesn't occur again. Yeah, when you know what caused the problem, you work together, commit yourself to resolve it. That's the third step. So the fourth step is rebuilding. Yeah, now you want to rebuild. You've committed your time, you've joined together, you've united together to work on this problem. Then you rebuild. How do you rebuild? You heal, you forgive, right? You have to heal. This is the rebuilding process, is the healing process. And before you heal, you must forgive. If you don't forgive each other, definitely you will not heal. And if you aren't healed, nothing will be resolved. Remember, we are trying to rebuild your marriage, maybe already broken one or already going through challenges, right? So you must rebuild. That's the fourth step. So you rebuild by healing. And how do you heal? You forgive each other. This is the time you forgive each other, right? And without forgiveness, no healing, no rebuilding. no resolving of any issue. This period of rebuilding is the period of healing and forgiveness. All right, then here you heal, you forgive, you come back intimately again. Yes, exactly, you come back intimately again with trust this time. Sometimes people build trust after having issues, after accusing others of some issues, cheating or some other thing. That's not why we're not talking about cheating. But sometimes trust will come in when you must have had issues, blame each other, or where you defaulted, or where you brought problem to the marriage. Now you have reconciled, you sort out this issue by pouring out your mind. Trust will definitely come in. Yeah, trust comes in. Yes, because you've already poured out your mind, talked, discussed, everybody has already said what it is in his or her mind. Now you will learn to trust each other because you have forgiven and you have healed. When you have healed, what is the next thing to do, which is the fifth and the last step, is growth. All right, you've had your crisis, you've taken awareness, you've committed your effort and time, you've tried to rebuild. Now you have to grow back again or grow stronger, have to grow higher. You walk now, you are more wiser, right? You are more wiser, you bring in more resilient. All right, it's a renewed commitment. You bring your renewed commitment to bring or to build your marriage to be more healthier and stronger this time. Yes, everything is now renewed. Reason is the fact that you have already battled on what the problem, challenges, and everything, all the effort to make it work again. Right now, you have a renewed commitment. Remember, when you are settling issues, there is always okay. This is what we did that caused this problem. Now we won't do it again. Let us start doing this. You two agree on what the step, new things to be doing, and then to abandon the old things you were doing which was causing issues. That's what I call a renewed commitment, and everybody abides by it. You have more resilient, like I said, become more wiser. This will help you now to build a stronger and healthier marriage, right? And everyone that sees you now might think you just got married newly. So I hope this 5 point helps. If you have anyone to add, put it on the comment section. That's your marriage would boom again. It will become the post of every other marriage partner to contest. They imitate, they emulate, they come and ask, how are you doing it? Right, so that's all. If you have missed it, the first one is crisis, second one is awareness, third one is commitment, fourth one is rebuilding, and the fifth, but not the last, is growth. I hope this helps. Please help to share this video for whoever needs to hear or learn from it, all right, to rebuild their marriage. I'll see you guys again on the next video, which is my day 8 of my Christmas vlog. With love, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to share if found interest. Of course, you're gonna find it interest.